This is the #1 reason why I tell you to pay all your credit cards down by the statement date and never by the due date. Let me explain. So when FICO10T comes out, it's going to take into account all of your payment history and payment habits over the last 24 months. The T in FICO10T stands for trending data. What they're truly looking for is exactly what kind of balances that you've been carrying for the last 24 months on those credit cards, even when you apply for a loan today. See, the bad habit that most of us have is that when we're about to apply for a loan, we'll go ahead and knock down all of our debt right before that loan application goes out. Then when they pull your credit, they go ahead and see, oh, okay, he's got good utilization, everything's low, he must be good at paying his bills. See, what FICO10T is going to do is when we send that loan application in, they're going to pull your credit and they're going to be able to see your payment history for the last 24 months. They'll be able to see all the balances you were carrying for the last 24 months. That means if you had high balances all the way until that loan application went out and then you tried to knock that balance down, they're going to know what you were up to. They're going to be able to form an entirely different opinion than they were before. So it behooves you to get into the habit now to start paying your bills down by the statement date, because the statement date is the date that they report all of your balances to the credit bureaus. So if your balances are low on the statement date, utilization will be low when it reports to the credit bureaus. If you continue to pay your bills by the due date, yes, your bills will show up as being paid on time. And yes, you will probably escape some interest. But guess what? When it comes to you applying for a loan, they're going to see bad balance carrying habits, which equals bad financial habits and possible instability.